One of my homeboy like that, which is a life, yes, they tell me, say, bro, so everybody don't forget that. So everybody don't forget that. Everybody they run from I tell her, I said, bro, nobody forgets you. Everybody they run your own reason. Yesterday, emphasize, say, everybody don't forget that. One tell her the hardest reality. Say, bro, nobody forgets you. But if you say nobody love you, just die. Just die first. If you die, it go shock you, say, 30 minutes after your death, you will know say plenty people don't snap picture with you. Let me talk. You will know say plenty people don't snap picture with you. They get them for their eye caps. Ide now. Now inside there, you know say people will never see you for ages. If you enter nights, if you enter bus, far distance, even with the security challenges where they Nigeria, still come. Say they won't pay you last salary. You self, you go know now. So I tell us make him die first. You get the matters. That's all you do.